A drone attack on Ukraine's Zaporizhzhia power plant has raised the risk of a major nuclear accident, according to the UN's atomic watchdog. Russia claims that Ukraine was behind the attack, which resulted in 3 people being injured. The Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant, with 6 reactors, is situated on the front line of the Russia-Ukraine conflict. The International Atomic Energy Agency has repeatedly warned against such attacks. Agency head Rafael Mariano Grossi described the drone strike as reckless and a major escalation of the nuclear safety and security dangers facing the plant. The facility, located in southern Ukraine, is the largest nuclear power plant in Europe. Russian forces seized it shortly after launching their February 2022 full-scale invasion and have occupied it ever since. Although the plant stopped generating power in 2022, it still requires a constant supply of electricity to cool one of its reactors, which is in a state of hot conservation, meaning it is not fully offline. The Atomic Energy confirmed physical impact of drone attacks at the plant, including damage to one of the reactors. While radiation levels remain normal and there is no serious damage, the agency warned that this incident could potentially undermine the integrity of the reactor's containment system. Mr. Grossi specified that there had been at least 3 direct hits against the plant's main reactor containment structures. He emphasized that attacks on nuclear facilities are unacceptable and pose significant risks. Both Russia and Ukraine have accused each other of shelling the plant and risking a serious nuclear accident. The situation remains tense, and the Atomic Agency continues to monitor the safety and security of the Zaporizhzhia nuclear power. In the initial round of voting, ex-Foreign Minister Ivan Koruk secured victory with 42.5% of the votes. Now, he competes against Pepper Pellegrini, who obtained 37% for the mostly symbolic position. A pro-Western diplomat squares off against an ally of the populist premier in the battle for Slovakia's presidency. The Kremlin asserts that the planned German military presence in Lithuania will heighten tensions. According to an official report, 3 individuals lost their lives in strikes on the Zaporizhzhia region. Following the attacks, a minimum of 3 fatalities occurred in the Pologivsky district of Zaporizhzhia. President Zelensky of Ukraine strongly condemns Russia's offensive against Kharkiv, a city that has faced repeated attacks in recent weeks. Kharkiv, situated less than 20 kilometers from the Russian border, ranks as Ukraine's second largest city, after Kyiv. Moscow has initiated the use of lethal guided aerial bombs in Kharkiv, colloquially known as building destroyers, and has also executed double-tap strikes on emergency personnel during this month, following a significant bombing campaign. On March 22, Kharkiv's inhabitants now face severe restrictions in accessing electricity. President Zelensky emphasizes that Kharkiv endures relentless assaults day and night, and the authorities are striving to enhance its protection. A drone attack on Ukraine's Zaporizhzhia power plant has raised the risk of a major nuclear accident, according to the UN's atomic watchdog. Russia claims that Ukraine was behind the attack, which resulted in 3 people being injured.